Hello, welcome back everyone. So we are doing a bloom. I've had to quickly put it because I had a phone call and now I had to rush to do it because it is getting very, very hot. So I'm afraid I will explain it once I do it because I don't want it to overheat any more than it already has. All right, so I've got my white and I'm using a luminite. And I have added 2 drops. And I have 15 grams. I'm using Platinum 360 Plus. And I waited until it reached 34 degrees. Well, it was over the 34 because of the phone call. Okay, now I will be using mainly the reds on this one. Some of it, the drops are bigger than others. All right, I think that will do it. And now I will start doing my white. And it's going to be very simple, the white. It's going to be all in circles. So it's an easy bloom for beginners. In here, which I think it was just a little bit sparse. And we will take the little blobbies out. And we'll do 1, 2, 3, in the middle, I'm going to do a little swirl. And that's it, guys. I'm not going to do anything. It is a very easy bloom for beginners. All I'm going to do is I am going to give it a little bit of heat. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to let it do its thing. All right, bye for now. So, it is set, and I'm going to do the backing in reds. I'm using Platinum Ultra Clear for the back. Mixed it up, and I've added, better make sure that it's stayed properly, because mica tends to stay in clumps. I've put a little bit of this, and this one is the magenta from Paper Mill. I don't think you can get it anymore. I've done a little bit here with this one here, Magic Plum from LouSolCreations. So I'm going to make sure that this is there really well, and I think it is. Make sure that this one is there really well. All right. It's going to be a bit hard to see because it is the same color just about, but we'll see. I'm gonna spread it around the edge. And try to do it equally, which is a little bit hard to do when you can't see exactly what you're doing. Yep, I think that that's it. And now I'm going to add the push, which is mica. I'll give it a nice little torch. And let it do its magic. All right? And I will be back when that is set. Bye for now. Okay, so let's see how this one turned out. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty and delicate. I think the backing, I should have made it another color, because it doesn't show the middle as much with this backing. But it's still very pretty. Very, very pretty. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything, and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us. And be kind to one another. We all are dealing with battles that we do not talk about. Bye for now. So young, lights are twinkling in the air.
Magic whispers everywhere.